Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today we will learn how to drill a kitchen sink. Don't let the fancy name fool you. The truth is, it plays a big role in taking your kitchen and your life a step further. But you may have questions about how to start, but don't worry, because in this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about drilling a hole in your kitchen sink. Here's a video to find out what you didn't know. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more home improvement advice. So let's get started. It's difficult to bore a hole in stainless steel objects like a sink, but obviously not difficult when you have instruments available with you. These days, stainless steel sinks are famous and used everywhere as they have many popular features like anti-corrosion, easy handling, easy to use, easily cleanable, and superior than marble or stone sinks. For example, if we want to install a tap or soap machine into the sink, we must bore or puncture into stainless steel sink by drilling it, and it would be easy if you know the right process and have the necessary tools available. The process of making holes in a stainless steel sink: you cannot drill without tools, so the following tools are required. Drill. Lubricant: some 3-in-1 oil or similar. Hammer. A brand new standard size 3/8 by metal hole cutter. Some faucets valves require a 1-hole. A small wooden block may be required sometime. Center punch or nail. A marker, Sharpie or similar. An old rag. Safety glasses. Measuring tape. A small file or emery cloth. You might need to drill holes for faucets or for mounting undermount sinks. Try to stay away from this hassle. The best thing would be to get the best undermount kitchen sink. These will be much easier to install. Step 1. Mark the area for drilling. Firstly, find out the spot for drilling and confirm it, because after drilling not possible to close that hole. Make sure to things potential damages under the sink and distance from pipes, as it is highly required to complete it perfectly. In a different way, you can use a measuring tape to measure the distance from the sink to that particular place and do marking and then do hole. Step 2. Indentation. The second important step is indentation, in which you can mark the area using a small nail on the sink. It is done to stop the spinning of the drill when it drills on the sink surface. Step 3. Lubrication of drill bit. Lubrication is required for better life of drill bit, to improve performance, and to stop vibrations. Step 4. Protect your eyes with protective eyewear. Always wear protective equipment like safety goggles while drilling. A spinning bit during drilling work can go into your eyes and damages your eye. Step 5. Start drill. Now select the drill bit by doing measurement and assure yourself that drilling is at a particular point only. Now, hold the drill bit in a vertical position and start at low speed. When you find out it puncture the sink surface, then stop drilling and change bit of inch with inch and continue drilling sink surface ... by doing this, drilling is complete. Step 6. Remove sharp edges. Here, your drilling work is not complete actually, as the surface is still not smooth. Now take emery cloth to smooth the rough surfaces or edges. Be careful while doing all this work, as this can damage your hand also, so try to use puncture or cut-resistant hand gloves to save your hands. If necessary, deburr the edges of the hole using a metal file or sandpaper to remove any sharp edges. Remember, this is just a general overview, and there are additional nuances and safety considerations involved in the process. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects or don't have the necessary tools and expertise, it's best to leave this task to a professional. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on drilling a hole in a stainless steel kitchen sink. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.